Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to check the scheduling assistant in Outlook. Start by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Locate and click on the New Items button. Click on the option labeled Meeting. This action will open a new window where you can compose a meeting invitation. Within the meeting invitation window, you will see several tabs or options at the top. Look for and click on the one labeled Scheduling Assistant. This tab allows you to check the availability of attendees and schedule the meeting accordingly. In the Scheduling Assistant view, you will find a section where you can add the names of attendees. Simply type in the names of the individuals you wish to invite to the meeting. Outlook will automatically check their availability based on their calendars. If the meeting requires a physical space, such as a conference room, you can add it by clicking on the Add Rooms button. This action opens a list of available rooms that you can select from. Should you need to invite more people to the meeting, click on the Add Attendees button. This allows you to select additional contacts or resources that should be included. Before sending out the meeting invitation, take a moment to review all the details. Ensure that the date, time, attendees, and resources are all correct. Once you are satisfied with the meeting details, click on the Save Changes and Send Meeting button. This action sends the meeting invitation to all the attendees you have listed. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.